Alright, we spent the whole afternoon planting, transplanting, weeding out all the weeds that was there. It was wild like that. You see the green ones, you see my gloves, so dirty. And the other one, it's ripped. It's ripped. So it's full of earth, it's full of dirt. It was that wild. They're all weeds. All the green that you see, they're all weeds. So I had to pull them out, pull them off, so they look like this. That's my favorite plant, the bird of paradise. So it looks like a bird. It's like a bird. I'm going to plant a lot of them. I'm going to propagate them, and lots of a variety of plants over there. And this is the coolest place, I think, here. It's so cool that even when I'm wearing my jacket, it's not humid. It's really cool. I can feel air con coming up from down there. It's just so cool. I love it here. So this is going to be our ornamental garden right here. I've cleared that place out yesterday. So I put some plants there too. They're a bit stable now, I hope. And more weeding down here. Pasit is upstairs. She's so tired. You see the gate? And she's somewhere over there behind those bushes. Still a lot of weeding. So still a lot of work to be done. I want to show you what Pasit has done. Oh my goodness, where did I put my knife? My favorite German paring knife. Where is it? Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't lose it like I lost my eyeglasses. Okay. So Pasit replanted because she likes these colorful plants. So she planted this. So all the way. So this is the stair. This. So look, these are new plantings. So she wanted to guide the people where to go down from up the road and down there. So it's full of those red, we call them St. Joseph's cane or St. Joseph's staff, whatever. There's Pacific. So lots of pots to fill up. She's so happy with her cactus, her very own cactus over there. Now, nakita mo na nga akong kutsilyo. Wala ko naman nakita. Ang botli na naman to. So, I can't find my black knife, my little one. Ang bota. Nabuyan ko naman. Okay, ginatahas ko diyon. I don't know where it is. Okay, I was trying to barter this one. Nobody likes it. We don't like it either. That's why we chop them off and change them into these more colorful ones. They're more vibrant, fiery, neonish, magenta in the sun. We're changing them so these, I don't know where they will go. It's a pity if we throw them away too. So still thinking about where to put them, but in the backdrop, in the side lights. And when we're not too busy. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we have to go now. Bye for now.